Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing, a power delivery unboxing on QuickTech. This is an Amazon Basic 65 watts Type-C charger. I got this Amazon Basic 65 watts Type-C charger for about $23 on Amazon. And so far it looks really small, and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and a comparison video with this other CocoSys I got, also 65 watts, for a fraction of the cost, so less than half of this. This was about $10 I believe. I'm just gonna do a quick check to be sure. Yeah, I actually paid $9.97 for this 65 watts charger, and this is an Amazon Basic 65 watts charger, which costs more than double the cost of this. I'm gonna do a comparison of both of them on a separate video, so let's set this aside. So this is the Amazon Basic 65 watts charger. Looks quite small, much more compact than the CocoSys. So let's rip it open and see what's inside. There's a pretty nifty tab that makes it easy to unbox, which is pretty nice. You don't have to get a knife every time you buy something. Wow, that feels pretty cool. Some Amazon Basics. Thank you for choosing Amazon Basics to serve your charger needs. I hope it serves my charger needs. This comes with a manual that comes in so many different languages, I believe. So this is the charger. I got it in white because I wanted to see how it looks. It looks quite beautiful, I must say. Wow, I have to say it's small for a 65 watt charger. It's amazing how much energy can come out of something this small. 65 watts. Okay, so I'm gonna do a full scale review of this charger to see how much energy I can get from it, if I can get up to 65 watts, and how much energy can I put to my Legion 5 Pro and for Legion 5 Pro users out there, and to see like how much energy you can get out and how much work you can do with this laptop using a 65 watt charger, with respect to the fact that it came with a 300 watt brick in the box. So it's been nice to see how much work you can get done with a 65 watt charger. So I'm gonna plug it in. Let's see if it will even turn the charging indicator on. I know the 100 watt works for it, so let's see what's gonna happen. Plug it in. Blue. As you can see, it's turned on blue. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, clicks in pretty nice. Let's connect this to the back of my Legion 5 Pro. Hopefully the charging indicator comes on, and boom, it works. So the Amazon Basic 65 watt charger works. So it's nice to see. What can I say? It's a charger and it works, and that's great. So that's it, folks. Amazon Basic 65 watts power delivery charger works, and it's charging my Legion 5 Pro. The charging speed, I can't tell that now, but when I do a review video and a comparison of all the power bricks I have, I guess maybe you guys can see like how well they perform and it's heating, how much heat it generates, and how it works. So that's it, guys. This is QuickTech. Like, share, and subscribe, and have a good day.